What's going on, fam? We're back again. Fam and fam yet. You know what I'm saying? We gotta give love to the ladies too. Back with your boy Q Diddy also in the house. And we're gonna be doing a transmission flush on my EP3 type car. So we're just gonna hop straight into it, right? So right here, if you get right here, this is your drain plug. And this is just a 3/8 drive socket. And then here is your fill plug. This is a 17 millimeter right over it. So the trans uses Honda genuine manual transmission fluid. There are other options, but this is what I'll be running in mine. And its capacity is 2 quarts. So let's commence with the draining. All right, so we got our fill plug out already. Now we're about to undo drain plug. I already pre-loosened it. So once you get that loose, just want to bring over your pan, your drip pan, whatever you're using. I got this bad boy because they want to be fancy. And you're just going to undo it by hand, like so. And let it drain on out. So we're just going to let that go ahead and drain. And while that drains, I'm going to prep everything needed to fill this bad boy back up. All right, y'all, so our fluid is pretty much all finished dripping. So we're gonna take the drain plug, throw it back in there. And when you tighten this back up, because it uses a 3/8 drive pretty much, I don't have a torque spec for it, but the best I can tell you is just to snug it up, like good and tight, you know, like the same way you would do your oil drain plug if you didn't have a torque wrench for it. So get it tight, and then a quarter turn more is a pretty good standard to go by for this. All right, y'all, so to fill it up, I got this fancy little pumping mechanism that I bought off eBay. I've used this a few times, but just remember, if you buy something like this, to clean it out every time or else the seals will go bad. So pretty much what we're gonna do is one side of the hose is gonna be one side of the bottom, the other side goes in the fill plug. We're gonna keep pumping until the fluid flows out. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, so we got the fluid all filled up, and as you can see by looking at the floor, things didn't quite go as planned. I got a whole shower and transmission fluid, but it's okay. So we got it all filled up. We'll put back in the fill plug now. Nice and smooth. If you have a new gasket, now would be the time to use it. I unfortunately don't, but it'll be okay. Now I'm gonna snug this bad boy back on up. And transmission is good to go. You want to take it for a quick drive after that, and you just want to check for any leaks and clean up like any leftover residue. But other than that, you should be good to go. But thanks for checking out the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. I got more Civic how-tos and more fun content on the way. Take it easy, I'm out.